Would you like to make money without even doing anything at all? If your answer is yes, then make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you how you can start earning passive income the easiest and fastest way with these free apps. By passive income, I mean you actually don't need to do anything in making money. I'm sure that these websites will blow your mind, as it's unbelievable how easy it is to make money using these new apps. Your job here is to just install these apps and let them do their work for you. And the best part is that these apps are 100% free and available worldwide. So this means it doesn't matter which country you're from, you can also make money with them. And don't worry, no previous experiences or skills is required, as I will explain everything on how to use these apps and how you can start making money with them. In this video, I will be introducing you these 3 apps through my computer, as it will be easier for you to understand on how they actually work. But they can be accessed on any device. This means you can use your computer, laptop, tablet, or mobile phone just with an internet connection. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. To receive your money from these 3 apps, you'll need to have a payment method. The best option for this is PayPal, as it is the most secure one, and they won't be using your personal information. First, you need to go to paypal.com to create your free PayPal account if you don't already have one. So, pay close attention as I'm about to teach you how to create your free PayPal account. Once you are on paypal.com, then simply click on the blue button right here where it says Sign Up. Then you will be taken to this next page where you need to choose between personal and business account. I would choose personal one and then click on Next. After that, you just need to fill in your phone number and other personal information. And once you have done all that, then you will be ready to receive or send money with your brand new account. But if for some reason you don't want to use PayPal, then you can also claim your money through your bank account. Just go to google.com and search for Online Bank Account in My Country. Once you have set up your bank account, then you will be able to receive your earnings from these apps I'm about to show you. The first website I'm going to show you is Money SMS App. Just go to a browser and fill in moneysmsapp.com. You can access this website on all devices, as on your mobile phone, laptop, computer, and tablet. Unfortunately, this app is only available for Android users. So this means iOS users can't download it yet. But don't worry, there is this third app that can be used by iOS users. Hold on a bit and I will show you it during this video. With Money SMS app, you can earn money online by receiving system-generated SMS texts. All you need to do is just download the app to your device that you're using and sign up for a free account. Once you have created your account, then you can simply start earning money. You need to consider that you will be receiving different texts to your device. You don't need to reply to them or do anything at all. Just let them come through, or if you want, you can delete them later. And that's it, as this is the money-making system. You can find more information about this method on their website. And right here you can see that there are thousands of satisfied users from all over the world. And here's how much money they have paid out. That's just amazing. You don't need to worry at all, as this app is 100% safe. They will not use your personal information and will not read any of your private messages. They also have this referral program where you can invite other people as your family and friends to join this application. After you have invited them and they have decided to join, then you will make 30% of that person's earnings. As I mentioned before, this app is totally free. All you need to do is just register and make sure to follow the steps I told you about on how to receive automated SMS texts, and then you will simply start earning passive income. You can read more about the referral program when scrolling down and clicking here. Here you can get all the answers to your questions, like as how you'll get your referral code. They say you just need to log into your app and click on the settings and then to referral program. Make sure to encourage more people to join. You can invite them by posting your code to your social media accounts as to Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And when some of your friends decide to join, then you will automatically earn 30% of their earnings. The more people you invite, the more money you will make. You may wonder, is this all even legit? Can you really make money with this strategy, as it sounds too good to be true? You have the option to see yourself, as here you can check the proofs of payments from many of the users on an independent website. They also take all the necessary measures to ensure that they comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. You can take your time and read through all the website, as everything is provided openly to you. Just go and visit the website, moneysmsapp.com, and you'll find all the information you're looking for. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. The next app I'm about to show you works the same way as the previous one. You just need to install it to your device. The website you need to go to is cashmagnet.com. As you can see here, this app only works with Android devices, as it's not yet available for iOS users. Cash Magnet puts together the top reward programs that you want to play. By the way, the Cash Magnet app will pay you even more money than this SMS app I just showed you before. Do you love playing games and watching fun videos? Then this is the right app for you, and you just need to install it right away. You will start making money by just playing games and watching ads. And by the way, you will start earning money right after you have downloaded the app. And the best part is that you can install this app at least to 4 devices. This means you will be able to make 4 times more money than with one device. Isn't this amazing? This app works the same way as the SMS app does. You can just download the app and set it aside, and the app will just work on its own. You can do other things you love at the same time the app is working. You can go out with your friends, go out shopping or sightseeing, spend time with your family, learn a new hobby, or you can just go to sleep. This app will just work automatically for you, and during that time you will earn passive income. It is reasonable to repeat this every day, as it only takes a little of your time. Just leave your phone after setting it up and it will make money for you. This app is really safe, and they guarantee that your personal information will not be used in any way. As I said before, these apps are 100% free, and you don't need to make any investments to start making money with them. This app is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter which country you're from, you can access it anywhere and earn passive income with it. I would now like to show you the third and last app. With this free app, you can make the most money comparing to the 2 previous ones, as it has the highest paying rate. And the best part is that it is available for both iOS and Android users. So you can use whatever device you like and download it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. It is all up to you. You can start earning with this the simplest way of all, just by listening to your favorite music and earning points on the app. The more music you listen, the more points you will collect and the more money you will earn. And on this app, you'll be able to discover more music, as they play over 100,000 radio stations. This app is also available worldwide, so it doesn't matter which country you're from, you can access it anywhere and anytime, and it's totally free. This website is called current.us. And if you'd like to find out more about this app, then just go to their website, current.us. Let me repeat that again. Just go and download the app and start listening to your favorite songs and earn money the easiest way possible. Thank you for watching, and that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.